Hello, my name is Tara Schaller. This is my data analytics project on software integration and applied machine learning. We're going to be combining Python, MySQL, and Tableau. The central objective of this project was to explore how the major data analytic tools Python, MySQL, and Tableau all work together across a data analysis workflow. Basically, we were looking at how do you fit machine learning in, and what does it look like when you combine these tools. And if you were going to build an automated dashboard that uses some machine learning, where do you start and what does that look like? So one possible solution, one configuration, you've got Python for data processing and analysis, MySQL for your data storage, and Tableau for the data visualization. The Python units can be combined with Python modules and text files. You can communicate between a Jupyter notebook running Python and the SQL database using a library called PyMySQL. And then lastly, you can extract data and export it to Tableau using text files .csv file in the .csv format. So as a use case for this workflow, we looked at HR data to predict employee absenteeism. Your HR data on the employees is stored locally in a local MySQL database. You have employee data and past reasons given for absences, and this is used in a logistic regression model to predict future absenteeism. Our final analysis findings were that employees with serious illnesses were more likely to have extended absences from work than other reasons such as children, pets, other doctor's appointments, dentists. So the main predictor of extended absenteeism was serious illness. Not really a surprising result, but it does provide a great use case for our integrated data analysis workflow. Here's the final analysis results from the machine learning model shown in Tableau. There was 27 total reasons given for an absence, and for the purposes of the model, they were grouped into 4 categories. Reason 1 was serious illnesses. Reason 2 was pregnancy and postpartum related issues. Reason 3 was poisoning. Reason 4 was minor illnesses, doctor's visits, dentists, physical therapy. And so what you're really looking at here is if it's a 0, this wasn't given as a reason for an absence. If it was a 1, it was given as a reason for an absence. And you're looking at reasons given over 50%. Probability means it is a good, strong predictor of absenteeism. So reason 1, serious illnesses, you see a lot of data points over 50%. So this is a good predictor of absenteeism. Reason 2, this particular data set didn't have that given as a reason for absence. There really wasn't very many cases of poisoning. And then minor illnesses, doctor's visits, this is below 50%, so it's not really a strong predictor of absenteeism. Then we looked at other characteristics like transportation expense, number of children, and not a strong correlation here with absenteeism. Same thing with age. And you can see this Tableau dashboard as well as the Jupyter notebooks. And there's a video walkthrough of the Python and SQL database integration in the project write-up if you're interested. So the final conclusions of this project were you have some similar capabilities with Tableau Prep and Tableau Server, but as an individual looking to learn this kind of stuff, the price tag for Tableau is like $850, so that is prohibitively expensive. I wanted to go ahead and see if I could replicate some of that with Python and Python libraries and text files. As I was learning these data analytics tools, I also was just curious how they would fit together, what a complete workflow would look like, and I just wanted to see how machine learning would fit into that process. So that was demonstrated here. And the most exciting thing about this project is that basically it's a modular template for future projects. There's a lot of improvements that can be done. And I think that a future project is going to have more exciting data sets and some better analysis. But this, as I learn and grow with that kind of thing, this serves as a great template to go ahead and build on that. And also, some of the steps are a little bit manual, so we can probably find more ways to automate that with Python and get a completely automated system end to end. So that is my software integration project, and thank you very much for listening. Go ahead, please look at the links further on in the write-up, and I look forward to talking to you more. Thank you.